In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom URL to your LinkedIn profile. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. This is the very first step to accessing your professional network. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can do this by using your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. If you're using two-factor authentication for extra security, LinkedIn may ask you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. It's a quick step, and it's always good to make sure your account is secure. Now that you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the LinkedIn homepage where you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Clicking on this icon will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll want to select View Profile to proceed. Now you should be viewing your own LinkedIn profile page. Your next step is to edit your public profile and URL. To do this, look for the pencil icon near the top right section that says Public Profile and URL. By clicking on this, you open your profile to editing mode, specifically focused on your URL. You'll now see the Edit Your Custom URL section, where another pencil icon awaits you. Click on it. This is your chance to customize the part of the URL that follows linkedin.com in search. Enter your desired URL here. It's recommended to use your name or a professional alias that reflects your personal brand. Once you've settled on a unique and memorable URL, click Save to apply these changes. With your URL set, you might want to enhance your profile further. Back on your profile page, find and click Add Profile section. This lets you include additional information that enriches your presence on LinkedIn. Select the recommended option from the menu that appears. You'll see an option to add licenses and certifications. This is a great way to showcase your professional accomplishments and further flesh out your profile. As you fill in your certifications, you'll have various fields to complete, such as the certification name and issuer. If your certification involves a specific time frame, be sure to select the correct month from the drop-down menu. Once you're satisfied with this additional content, click Save to finalize your updates. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your LinkedIn profile URL and made your profile richer with new details. This process doesn't take long, but makes a significant difference to how your professional profile is perceived. Make sure to keep your LinkedIn page updated with your latest achievements and opportunities. It's more than just a profile, it's your digital business card. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your LinkedIn presence a little easier and more effective.